Hey Tamara, sorry about this, like, it took so long, but here's your cover, like I promised, and I hope you enjoy it. And for those of you who are watching, if you want to see more of this, like, subscribe, and if you guys have any requests, just let me know. So here it goes. Bump the music up a little louder. See, you had a lot of crooks trying to steal your heart. Never really had you never figure out how to love. How to love. Had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you in the corner trying to put it together. How to love. How to love. Cause baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do a real thing. Bigger than you ever done it. You'll be up on everything. Other girls ain't never on it. I'm on this forever, baby. I could put whatever on it. She hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get it right up on this bottle, no, I'll live it up. Make you beg for it till you give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. You the best. You the best. You the best. You the best. The best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. I know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put it in the mat. You know I'll be over there. Yo, I'll be over there. Shawty, I'll be over there. I'll be in spots that you didn't think that no one's there. Ha, you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart, or we can share it like the last slice. I always thought you would